haven't seen on camera, so pretty excited about that. So stay tuned and we'll see what happens. Oh, by the way, guys, listen, the last video with Nathan shooting those deers, we got so much love from everybody. Thank you so very, very much. We appreciate it. So stay tuned. Like I said, a lot more content coming your way. So guys, I'm gonna call it this morning. All I saw was just the two deer, the two does that were being ran off by a small little buck. Then I think there was just 3 does back over there, the ones that I think you guys were able to see on film. But it's been a pretty fun morning, a lot of movement. So we'll see. I gotta get off the stand now because I'm gonna go I gotta clean some brush off of the camera that I have. It's a cell phone camera that keeps going off every single time the wind blows. And I want to see if I could hang my climber to sit on it this afternoon and probably the remainder of the weekend if I could find a good spot for it. So yeah, we're gonna be it's gonna be a busy weekend. So exciting. was chasing or just running off the does. I don't know, it was weird. It's still too early for the rut to begin here, so not sure. Unless, I mean, it was cold this morning. It was like 40, 46, 43 degrees. But who knows? But yeah, we'll see. Let me show you guys what we're looking at. Man, these gnats. Is a bunch of pine trees. I can see for miles back there, but so yeah, stay tuned. Let's see if we can put something down today. Oh, this sun sucks. I put my climber in the wrong spot. I got the sun right in my face and it sucks. But stay tuned. Hopefully we get something for you guys later to see. Thank you. Well guys, that concludes this evening's hunt. I didn't see anything besides a raccoon. But it was fun. Besides the sun being on my face. But nothing beats being out in the woods, whether you see something or not. I love it. So, let's see. Hopefully tomorrow morning we can put one on the ground. Well guys, the deer hunt didn't go as planned, but I mean I saw plenty of deer, but with the bow, none of them came into range with the bow. They were all about over 100 yards away into the thick stuff. And they were moving so fast I couldn't even get them on camera. But like I've always said, it's awesome being in the woods, whether I kill something or not. But the good thing was we got out, did a little thermal hunt. And watch this next clip. You guys will be able to see what I was seeing through my thermal scope, and we put a big old hog down, so check it out. Let me know when you're ready. I'm ready. 1, 2, 3. He's about to fuck one. Gonna be a big boar. Boar's out here with Hog Bounty again, doing it again, guys. Protecting these peanut fields, and we came across this big old boar, and we put the double smack down on him, and he went straight down. We saw this boar yesterday. We were looking for another hog inside the thicket back in there in the woods, and as we were going in there, he came right up on us within like 10-15 feet from us, and my buddy Odell took out his handgun and tried shooting him, but he went in through all this stuff and we couldn't see him after that. But yeah, we put him down today, so stay tuned, more content coming. Well, I hope you guys like that little clip, us shooting that hog, and so yeah, that was fun. At least we got some hog meat in the freezer. But guys, also we have an Instagram page. Our Instagram page is S5 Outdoors. And then if you guys would also follow my buddy Odell's page, he's at Hog Bounty Exterminators, and Hog is HAWG on Instagram also. That would be greatly appreciated. Guys, again, the last video with my son got a lot of support, so thank you so very much for all that. Like I said, I'm really trying to grow this channel, and I think we could do it with everybody's help. So thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking our page and our videos. And stick with us.